现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're taking a lot of pictures. 我们这个月真的拍好多照哦。
是哦，
每一天都在拍照哎。We're teaching you how to say take a picture. 拍照。
翕相。
翕相 that's take a picture. Now, even though we love taking pictures everywhere, but there are certain places we're not supposed to take pictures. Okay? 电影院里面当然不能拍照。
是。
再来还有什么美术馆啦、博物馆啦。那有些作品为什么不能拍它版权？有些地方搞不好可以，但是他说不能用闪光灯，因为会破坏那个作品里面的颜色等等之类的。So when you go to museums, especially, a lot of times you can't take pictures. So let's put you in that situation, right? 哎，这些作品都好美哦。These works of art are so beautiful.
亚条作品，
亚条作品
都很强哦，
都很强哦，就跟你一样啊，都很强哦，很强的 I know. 强 means beautiful, pretty. 都很强就是 they're all very pretty, all right? 可惜不可以拍照。
我可以拍照，
但你可以是？
是啊，是啊。
That's funny because in the situation you're not supposed to take a picture, but Alice like take plenty of my pictures. Yeah, it's a pity. Don't take any pictures, all right?
很無彩，
很無彩，
做唔得翕相，
做唔得翕相。
很無彩，做唔得翕相。
Okay, 很無彩 that means 可惜 it's a pity 哈，不是說你不是我的菜，你是我的菜才可以照相哦。很無彩 OK， 好，沒關係，想看再來看就好了。It's cool. When you want to see it, just come back again, right?
唔怕，
唔怕，
想愛看，
想愛看，
將來看，
將來看，
就好嘞。
就好嘞就好了哦。
唔怕，想愛看，將來看就好嘞。
哎，有點 riddle 的感覺哦，好像在饒舌哦。想愛看，將來看，那樣子。
就好嘞。
就好嘞 OK， that means
想愛看，將來看就好嘞。
There you go. When you want to see it, just come see it again. All right. 看 again that's to see, to look, to watch. All right. 哎，沒關係叫做
唔怕，
唔怕，就是不怕的感覺哈。
對，不怕不怕。
沒關係 It's cool. Don't worry 那樣子。All right, it's cool. This is a fun episode. Let's review some of these phrases, such as, it's so beautiful, 好美。
很強哦。
很強哦 Okay, that means so pretty. And then 可惜 such a pity.
很無彩，
很無彩 And then finally, don't worry, 沒關係。
唔怕，
唔怕 And it's all about the phrase this month, to take a picture, 也就是拍照。
翕相，
翕相 And there you go. That is today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.